To all our guests, the expatriates in the Sultanate of Oman, we urged all of you not to leave home unless it's extremely important. We asked all of you as well to follow the healthy living style, i.e. washing your hands with soap and water frequently, avoiding places where there are mass gathering, avoiding leaving the house if you have symptoms, contacting the healthcare facilities when your symptoms become severe. The number of cases over the last 3 days increased significantly. There are several reasons for that. One of them is the active surveillance. That means we've been looking for cases to diagnose. 2, unfortunately, the outbreaks in certain labor camps. The other thing we've noted, unfortunately, some of the expatriates, and for reasons not known to us, they do not seek medical help early enough when they have the symptoms. And most of those who unfortunately passed away, they came to the healthcare facilities very late, and some of them were dead on arrival, and some of them died at home. The healthcare services will be provided to everybody in Oman. For those who cannot afford it, the government will take care of that. For those who are insured, the insurance companies will take care of that, and the sponsors, of course, will have to take responsibility as well. I wish you all well, and please continue your social distancing. Stay safe. Keep the hospitals for patients who need them, and do not make our hospitals overwhelmed with cases of COVID-19. Thank you very much again.